Welcome to our Health Lifestyle channel, where we feature different videos showing tips, fun facts, and natural remedies for some of the most common health problems. Please hit the like button and share our videos. Do you want to be updated whenever we upload new videos on our channel? Hit the subscribe button now. Grilled Steak Tortilla Salad. Satisfy your taco cravings with this salad recipe, then add tortilla slices to the plate when you're done mixing it all together. Season steak with chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Broil or grill to desired doneness, 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare. Let rest before slicing. In bowl, toss plum tomatoes, scallions, jalapeno, lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Toss with cilantro and arugula. Fold in steak. Serve with charred flour tortillas. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.